Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this yoga drills class. This is a short, sweet one to get all the strength spots really turned on for you. And if you like this class, I want you to head on over to Omstars where we do 1-hour yoga drills. Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. Hands in prayer position, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes. Good. Let's get right in. We'll do arms out to a T shape. Take the fingers and inhale, arms out to a T shape. Hold. 1, 2. Draw the navel in. 3, 4, and 5. Let's make little arm circles. Good. And let's go forward. Good. Let's go in the other direction. Little arm circles. Good. Then 1 time forward and 1 time back. 1 time forward and 1 time back. And then let's go big circle forward. Good. And then big circle back. Big circle back. Nice. And then 1 time forward to the top of the circle. 1 time back to the top of the circle. 1 time forward, top of the circle. 1 time back, all the way up, top of the circle. Back to a T shape. Hold. 2, stabilize through the chest. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, let's set it down. Get that nice little burning sensation in the shoulders. Great. Now let's come up onto the hands and knees, and then we're gonna work puppy pose to stretch the shoulders. Walk your hands forward, external rotation, and then exhale. Get the top of the head or the forehead on the ground and stay. 1, push with the arms a little. 2, hips back and up. 3, 4, and 5, switch, gaze at the thumbs, externally rotate, and then see about your chest on the ground. That might be hard, but try anyway. 2, 3, not the chin, but the chest. 3, 4, and 5. Press, walk the hands back. All right, curl under, inhale. Come on up to downward facing dog. Let's say hello to downward dog. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, easy does it. 5, let's switch the gaze forward, put the knees down. Exhale, put the elbows down. You know what the elbows down means? That means some dolphin stuff is on our horizon. So with the elbows down, I want you to press into the elbows, and then inhale, come up into dolphin. And let's do a stretchy dolphin first. So we're gonna lean back and get the shoulders away from the hands, so we lean back and then come up onto the tips of the toes and let it be a stretchy dolphin. And we have 2, 3, so we should feel a stretchy sensation in the shoulders. 4, and 5. Exhale, we set it down. Good. Now switch the gaze forward, and now see if we can come up into a strong dolphin. So shoulders forward. This time the head stays forward, and inhale, strong dolphin. So we feel weight bearing down, shoulders are more forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, set it down. Good. And then let's see if we can connect strong dolphin and stretchy dolphin together. So inhale, come up to your strong dolphin, and then exhale, stretchy dolphin, move it back. Switch the gaze forward and inhale, toes onto the toes, strong dolphin, and exhale, stretchy dolphin. So it's like we shift back. Look forward, and then weight in the shoulders. Look at your feet, stretchy dolphin. Look at your thumbs and move the head close to the thumbs. Look at your feet, move the shoulders back. 2 more, look forward, and pull it back. Last one, moving, look forward, and pull it back. All right, we're gonna stay in the strong dolphin. Look it forward. 1, 2, 3, keep pressing. 4, and 5. Exhale down, child's pose. Take a little rest. Started off kind of intense. It's good. All right, let's bring it forward. Take the hands down. Now, with the hands down, we're going to see if we can find our way to plank. So let's do retracted shoulders, ribs in, so you fire up your front body. Inhale, find your plank. Good, stay in plank. 2, 3, a little more forward, 4, and 5, and back to downward facing dog. Now we'll see if we can do plank to downward dog, just like we did those 2 dolphins. Might feel easier, might feel harder, depends on you. Look forward, inhale, plank, exhale, downward facing. 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 One more. Inhale, we got plank. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, plank, bring it forward, more forward, more forward. Draw in from the chest as you exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, big breath in. Exhale, downward facing. Stay downward dog, deep breaths, good. Now let's see if we can connect downward dog to dolphin. Walk your hands a little in. Here we go, wrap the elbows in. Exhale, go down. Good job. Inhale, come back up. That might be hard, try anyway. Exhale, elbows down. Inhale, bring it up. 3 more. Exhale, down. Inhale, squeeze, bring it up. 2 more. Exhale, down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, stay down, revisit that strong dolphin. 2, 3, 4, walk your feet forward, place the knees onto the triceps, hold it there, prepare for baby bakasana, go a little forward, a little back, a little forward, a little back, 3 more, a little forward, little back again, little forward, little back, little forward, little back. All right, you're going to stabilize the shoulder. You ready? Inhale, baby bakasana. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it down. Good job. All right, come back onto your hands and knees. And then we'll go through cat and cow. Inhale, extend, just to really release. Exhale as round. Inhale, extend to get that feeling of release. Exhale, round. 1 more. Inhale, extend. And exhale. That's round. Good job. Walk your feet forward. Let's cross the feet. Exhale, sit down. Now, interlace your fingers behind you. Send the chest up and forward. And we're going to draw the shoulder blades towards each other. Point the thumbs out to the side and get the feeling of release through the upper back. 2, 3, 4, and then lean all the way back until the hands are on the ground. Then we're going to turn the fingers forward and then lift the center of the chest until the trapezius muscle supports the cervical spine. And we'll stay here. We have 1 deep breath, 2, 3. You can give a little wiggle from side to side. 4. And 5, let's roll it on back. Return to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Observe that quick hit of strength throughout the body. Observe that feeling that we don't always need to do so much to get results. It's consistency over daily practice that matters. Let's bring the hands in prayer position. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.